What's the meaning of bootlegger? Bootlegger. Bootlegger.
Bootlegger. Bootlegger. A bootlegger is a person who illegally produces, distributes, or sells goods, especially liquor or other types of alcohol. The term originated during the Prohibition era in the United States when the sale and consumption of alcohol were illegal. Bootleggers would smuggle in alcohol from other countries or produce their own to sell on the black market. This often led to violent clashes with law enforcement and rival gangs. Today, the term can also refer to someone who produces or sells illegal copies of media, such as music or movies. It is still considered a criminal activity punishable by law.